Hey guys, it's Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have an unboxing to do. So as you can see, I've already opened a box, and it's because when this was sent to me, I was thinking the bag that I bought cannot possibly fit into this small box, because I've watched a few unboxing of this bag, and it usually came in a bigger box for most of the customers who bought them. So I was really like surprised that it came in this such a compact box. So I had to just open it up to see if the item that I'm getting is the correct item that I purchased, and thankfully it is. So I am so surprised that it managed to come in this small compact box. But anyway, I'm still going to do the unboxing. I've just looked at the item to make sure that it's the correct item, but I've not really opened it up. So I just want to share this with you guys, and if you're interested to see what I got, do stay tuned. It has been some time since I bought something from Coach. I think the last time I bought from Coach was like when I got married, and it was a wedding present from my husband. So that was like 12 years ago, and I didn't really purchase anything from Coach since then, as in a handbag. So this was a purchase which I have been thinking of for a couple of months. I have seen this item like on YouTube. It's such a popular item, and I didn't really take the plunge, but let me just share with you more after I've shown you the bag. Okay, so it came packaged like this. Box opens up like that, and then it has a card which says thank you for shopping at Coach, and it also comes with the receipt. I can see that it says here signature packaging. I'm not too sure what signature packaging means. It could probably mean that it will come in this kind of packaging. So most of the other unboxings that I saw on YouTube, it came in a nice black Coach box, but I think mine does not seem that there's a box here. So I just think that it's the bag is just inside, and then plus the box, so that's it. So probably this is signature packaging. And the receipt itself also comes with a return, let me just show you. It comes with a return label, so in case I want to return the item, I can send it back. Now let me just show you the item itself. I am so excited, and I really want to do the unboxing today, so that it's the weekend and I can start using the bag. Okay, so let us take a look. So this is so as you can see, that's all. That's the dust bag. And okay, let me just remove the box. Okay, that's my bag, my newest bag from Coach, and it comes in this soft silky dust bag, and it just says Coach New York. So anyway, this is the bag that I got. I'm so excited. Ta-da! So this is the Coach Cassie bag, and I finally took the plunge because I saw so many videos of YouTubers talking about the bag, and to me it was a no-brainer when I just saw that it had a sale on it, and I just thought to might as well just get it. So yay! Okay, let me just take a look. I've actually just taken a look at the bag previously when I was checking whether it's the correct bag. So the color is so beautiful, and I love the look of the leather itself because it's so soft, and it's pebbled leather, and it comes with the pewter hardware. This is a first impressions video because I have seen so many people raving about this bag, and I have to say thanks to my YouTuber friends, Elise, Irene and Samantha, because they have this exact pink one, and they really loved it. And the more I watched them talking about the bag, the more I felt that I'm just gonna get it for myself, because you guys know pink is my favorite color. So okay, let me just look around. It is very nicely packaged. So it even has this foam to make sure that the handle does not get flattened, but you know what, they stuffed it inside the small box anyway. So it's a crossbody bag. If I'm not wrong, they call this the Coach Cassie crossbody. Yeah, and here's the tag. So It's priced at 350 US dollars, but I got it at 212 Canadian dollars. There was a sale. I was really very happy about it. So wow, it's really beautiful. I'm just looking at the stitching, I'm looking at the piping. The piping looks really nice. It's beautiful. It's very nicely made. So it comes with this turn lock where you just turn it. And before I open the bag, I just want to say that the dark color of the pewter on the pink is just so gorgeous. I think it's just beautiful. So it's an open flap bag, and yeah, as you can see, there's more stuffings inside. So let me just remove the stuffing so we can take a look at the bag easier. It looks perfect, guys. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. And the strap, the back strap, is actually attached to the handle here. And let me see if I can open this one. I want to take a look. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh my god, look at it. It's so pretty. And I love the fact that my nails match the bag. No wonder people they love this bag. I have seen so many videos talking about this bag, and they have it in so many different shades. By the way, this is in the color Aurora, and it is a beautiful slightly grayish pink. So that's the strap over there. So you have the pewter hardware, and it's really gorgeous. I tell you, the leather is so super soft, and it has you can adjust it. So the strap is adjustable. It has 2, 4, 6, 7 grommets. I'm gonna try to attach this here, and oh, so pretty. So pretty, you guys. Look at that. Okay, let's take a look at the inside of the bag. I'm still like in awe of the bag. So you have the first compartment here, which is pretty narrow, and then you have the middle compartment, which I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's pretty spacious. And there's a zipper compartment at the back here. Wait, there's a card. Oh, you have the care instructions card here. Let's see. Okay, so it's basically telling you how to take care of the bag, which is, yeah, normal. And besides there, see, they even like look at that, they even cover it like so, just amazing. And then you have the label. I'm not too sure if you can see it, but the label is there, and it comes with a few silica gels. Oh, and there's another slip pocket at the front, so that's really cute. So yeah, and then at the back here, last but not least, you have another back compartment. So it's really it kind of reminds me of an accordion bag, where you have like 3 different segments, and then you can compartmentalize, which I love. And the 2 other pockets are also useful. Then you can keep your change or whatnot, and so on. Yeah, wow. I understand the Coach Cassie craziness right now at this point of time. I am very happy that I decided to get this bag. So I'm going to hopefully carry it out maybe for the next few days. The only thing I would worry about is the color transfer, because as you guys know, I love wearing jeans, and I've had a couple of unfortunate color transfers onto my Damier Azur canvas. So I think for this I have to be extra careful when I wear jeans or dark colored clothing, because this really looks like it's gonna, yeah, it's gonna get destroyed like within like the first use, I think. Yeah. And but yeah, the bag, I think the size looks amazing. I don't have the measurements, but I can just leave the measurements down below, and I can't wait to carry it. So I'm really happy that I took the plunge and bought this item, and I am part of the Coach Cassie club. Yeah. Okay, so anyway, that's all I have for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'll probably just do a what fits in the bag, or what's in my bag, and so on. You know, it's just fun. I can't wait to use this thing, and oh my god, it's so soft. I can just rub my hands all over it the whole day. So thank you guys for watching. If you like my content, do consider subscribing. If you have any questions or any comments, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll get right to it. So meantime, do take care, do stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Hey guys, so I am still obsessing about the bag, and I wanted to just show you guys a bit of close-up on some of the other details that I noticed after looking at the bag closely. So I quite like that the hardware, the turn lock, is made of a dark pewter color, because then you can't really see the scratches. And I love the extra details, like, you know, the embossed coach engraved onto the hardware. You have those, and then you have some here which is on this side. You can see the coach, and there's also the tiny rivets here at the side here. You can see the coach over there. It looks so immaculately done, and I am amazed with the stitching all around. The stitching is perfect. I know this is a machine stitch, because you can see that it's perfectly stitched and evenly, unlike some of the Louis Vuitton bags where the stitching can be irregular because it's handmade. Yeah, and even the strap is nice, it's beautiful. It's adjustable, so I've tried it. So I'm currently using the shortest grommet, because I am pretty short. So and yeah, it's sewn beautifully sewn, and I love the shade. I think the color of the bag is an understated muted pink. Initially when I saw it on the website, I kind of looked like my pink nail right now, but I'm surprised that the color came out something like this, because I think I can carry off this kind of color. You know, some pinks may tend to, you know, be a bit childish if, you know, I'm going to carry it, and I am approaching 40 soon and I don't think I can carry something like that off, but this color, I think I should be fine with it. Yes, and I wanted to show you guys, so the back pocket, you know, there's a slip pocket over here, and it fits my phone perfectly. So currently I'm using the iPhone 8 Plus, and this is a humongous phone, but I am glad that I'm able to just slip the phone right at the back, and it's for easy access, and it's deep enough such that, you know, nobody can come and try to dig out my phone or pickpocket me. Yeah, I hope. Yeah, so it's really gorgeous. I'm so happy I took the plunge and bought this Cassie bag. And yeah, so I just wanted to point out something. I think the only thing I noticed about this bag is there's a bit of discoloration here, so I'm not sure if it's scratched or there's a bit of dirt on it, and over here too. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there's some over here. So I'm gonna try to clean it with, let's say, wet wipes or something, and see if it goes off. If not, I'm not gonna fret, because I think that's the only thing I noticed about this bag. So yeah, that's all. Thank you.